Well, good morning. And today is a good day because that is going there this morning. And when they come, they bring everything they could possibly need. They bring everything. But this is how it comes as a package. Already pre-made, pre-welded, pre-bent. Doors, windows, roll-ups, side pieces. And here's the tin. Everything you could think of, they bring. This crew apparently has done this a long time. It's gonna be a good day. It's gonna be a very good day. Let me tell you, I've been around a lot of crews in my day working construction, but these guys have been here an hour, just an hour, and they barely speak to each other. They've been doing this a long time. They really know what they're in. So the bottom rail has been in, and then they'll cut this section out, and they're pre-skinning the eaves. And I mean, I've been around a lot of crews. Been a lot of crews in my day, and these guys have been doing this together a long time, guaranteed. They barely speak. Everybody knows their job. Everybody's doing their job. It's amazing to watch. The back leg's already put in. Puts it up over the top of the rail. They slip it in. Thump. In the slot. 2 screws. And it's done. Have you guys heard yet? Uncle Buck's Garage is giving its first giveaway, which is this engine as it sits. All right. This is the one in the video with almost 700,000 views. So if you want to know what's in this, watch that video. Buy yourself a little bit of merch, and you're qualified. You just got to send me a screenshot of the purchase. Good luck and have a good day. Oh boy, let me tell you. They're going to lunch, and the quality and the craftsmanship of these guys is astonishing. Okay, it's so good. The measurements that the concrete was done was spot on. I mean, you couldn't ask for any better. They've got this whole thing completely framed, purlins and all, and it's 12:30. They've been here 5 hours. All they got left to do is put a door and some windows in and skin it. That's it. And put the lean-to on the back. But let me tell you, for a guy that right out of high school went and framed with crews for several years, and then spent 20 years working steel, construction, these guys are amazing. They are flipping amazing. I am in awe I don't think they spoke 10 words to each other since they've been here for 5 hours. They know their job so cold, so cold. When they got out of the truck at 7:30 this morning, they went right to work. No words. They knew exactly what they needed, where they were going, and what they were doing. There's nothing. I mean, the most time they spent was make sure that the building was true and square. Hence the yellow strap. But other than that, this has been amazing to watch. I'm in awe of these guys. I mean, they must have been doing this for a long time because they got this down cold. No other way for me to put it. This is just, it's amazing to watch. It's been a privilege for me to watch these guys work. All right, she's done. I'll give you a little walkthrough. As say, we got the window, the man door, and the two 10-foot doors, and those are spring loaded. So as soon as you unhook them, up they go. They come with a grab rope, and they went through and with the magnets and picked everything up. And the fit on everything is exceptional. They really did a good job. I mean, he literally turned around and came back to put, because he remembered he forgot one screw. He came back in to get one screw. And here's the lean-to, the walkthrough. And it's really the quality, craftsmanship and quality of these guys. It was amazing to watch. Like I said, they barely spoke. They barely spoke. And they just, everybody knew their job. There wasn't any complaining or griping or anything like that. They all knew what they needed to do. And of course, you know, we still have the beagles. But, so there's my ramp to get my lawnmower stuff in here. And I will be building racks and bringing the air compressor in here and the back man door. It's going to be a little echo-y because, you know, it's shut up. Now, still got to go through, and he said the can spray foam is the best way to go. He said there's little spots up here, and all that you can see in the corners will be spray foam in those. But, so, I told him I was going to be bringing air conditioner in, and he left me some stuff in the corner, some L brackets and some self-tappers to match what's in here, and the door shut so nice. 2 days, and I say they did 12 hours yesterday. They run 7 to 7, and they got here about 7:30 this morning, and they rolled out of here at 4:30. Magna picked all the extra screws up and all the little clippings and everything. It's pristinely clean. Now I need to sweep because this is all just leaves and stuff that blew in, but from the construction, there isn't any trash left. None. They bagged it all up. It's sitting back there in the bags right there, and I'll just haul it off in the morning. It's perfect. I couldn't be happier. I couldn't be happier with this company. Now, it's the company's name is Grizzly, is a company I bought it through. The company that built this is a different company, and I mean, it came. They weren't missing anything. It was like I said, it was 4 guys, a truck, and a trailer, and everything to put this thing up. It was incredible to watch. It really. I mean, it really goes to show you what humans can do when they know what they're doing and they know how to work. You know, I mean, God bless them. I couldn't. It was so good. It was a privilege to see them work. All right, so if you're still here, like, share, subscribe, smash that button, hit that bell, tell your friends. Remember Thursday Night Lives, and now it's electric and it's insulation for the winter. Y'all be good.